Hello Milan, I'm especially doing for you the green beans soup with the cream. You asked me some bean soup with the milk. I'm going to make a bean soup Zöldbab pőzelé. What I'm doing with charcoal, cream, fresh cream. I already cleaned up beans. I already got the water on the stove. It's very simple. This is my beans already cleaned. Now I'm going to put in boiling water and cooking until it's cooked. Let's take about when the beans cooked. Then I got oil here and butter and then braising the flour like an old-fashioned way. Very simple. It's very nice when you have a deal. Here is my fresh cream. I make it with the fresh cream and I make it with the vinegar, slightly sour. While the beans cooking, I'm going to make a brew, what you say, flour. Flour braised in butter and oil. Say about not very much, just about a tablespoon or 1.5 tablespoon. Okay. First we cook up beans, then I make a brew, a little bit of oil, not much oil and butter. This way I do the brew and rántás magyarul. When it's cooked, I will show you exactly how it's done. But now we leave it cook about half an hour or something in a salty water. I have about half a tablespoon salt in there. Okay. I braise now the brew, rántást, magyarul csinálom a rántást. Ready just now, must be golden color, mustn't burn it, and otherwise be not nice. Now I switch off the stove already because just now ready. That's way I do it. I remember when I learned from my grandmother and mother, they used to make with the milk, but I do it with the fresh cream. It's very nice with the fresh cream, better taste. I got a fresh cream, which is 250 milliliter fresh cream. I'm going to pour it into my rántás brew. Oh, nearly went up. This way I do the bean soup. If you want to do lettuce, do it the same way. Lettuce saláta főzelék, you can do the same way. You see, I mix it nicely, low lumpy in a... Okay, that's it. Okay, here you are. Now it goes into the beans. Nice big this frying pan. I don't know if you, Melania, ask the same green beans because I don't know other beans with the milk. This is going to be like a Zöldbab főzelék. Green beans with the cream. Now boiling up, I put a bit vinegar in. I'm not measuring, I just do it by like an olden time they used to do. Make about a tablespoon. See, I've tasted, and if I need more, I put more. This way you do the beans, ready cooked. Okay, let's give a boil, and I taste it. If it's enough sour. A little bit more. I think I put it in more. Okay. Finish. Simple. This is a Zöldbab főzelék in a Hungarian way. Hello Milan, this is supposed to be my green beans with their fresh cream. Zöldbab főzelék. So I hope you like it and you can make it. If it's the same beans what you ask for the milk, I hope so. Nice, slightly sour.